Hello, ladies and gents, welcome. Today I've got this American walnut. I'm going to turn a small vase and I'm going to insert this tube for it so it can be a natural flower inside. Like right there. So outside of it we can decorate, and I've got some ideas I'm gonna try. So let's get started. First I'm gonna chew this up, round it up, and then we get to the other parts. Okay guys, I've finished hollowing with that auger bit. As you can see, it fits in nicely. Luckily it was exact size. So what I want to do to make this piece a bit interesting, I want to use this brass powder. It's a cold cast brass powder, very fine, and I'm going to make some grooves here. Let's say one groove here and another one next to it. I'd say I'm going to do it over here. Okay, so I'm going to use a thin CA glue. So once that completely dried, I'll go with the carbide and get it a bit level. Then I'll sand it till it goes shiny. So guys, as you can see, it does turn becomes shiny, like I said. So I'm gonna keep on sanding this now until it's 400, then I'll come back and we finish it off. So guys, I'm gonna apply Yorkshire grit now, and then once this is done, I'll apply microcrystalline wax off camera usually, because I'll let this this Yorkshire grit to dry, and then I apply that microcrystalline. It's such a lovely wood to turn, and the smell, I'm sure those who've turned walnut before know the smell. It's so nice to turn. There we go. I think that brass makes it gives it a bit of feature, and it stands out in dark brown. So all we have to do now is I'll finish this off camera and then I'll part it off and I'll come back and show you guys. There we have it, guys. Really happy with it. Nice and simple project for anyone who's starting wood turning. I mean, you don't have to do the ring if you don't want to. It's a bit messy, but it does look nice, and as you can see, I still haven't got it right, but it makes it different, I guess. And this is a nice fit for it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please hit the like button if you liked it and share it. I try to do more videos when I can, when I have free time. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you on the next video. Take care. Bye.